Ever moved to a new country and wondered if your favorite bank from back home would be there? Maybe you're an Aussie expat living the dream in London, or a Kiwi entrepreneur setting up shop in Singapore. You might think, wouldn't it be handy to keep my bank account if they have a branch nearby? Well, if that bank is Commbank, then I've got good news and, well, not so bad news for you. So, let's crack open the Commbank globe and see where those familiar green and gold colors actually appear. Now, Commbank, in its full name, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, is exactly that, an Australian bank. Founded in 1911, it's become a giant down under, offering pretty much every financial service you can imagine. But what about venturing outside the land down under? Commbank has what they call a corporate and institutional presence in several key financial hubs around the world. Think of these as offices that deal with the big money movers, businesses shifting millions, not your average bloke on the street. These hubs are located in North America, specifically New York City, the United Kingdom, most likely London, but Commbank doesn't publicly disclose the exact address, and various locations across Asia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan, and China. Now, here's the thing, if you're an everyday customer with a Commbank account back home in Australia, these international offices can't directly help you with your day-to-day banking needs. No topping up your debit card or resetting your online password. These offices are strictly for the financial bigwigs. But hold on, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Commbank does have a full subsidiary, a whole other bank under the Commbank umbrella, across the ditch in New Zealand. That's right, our Kiwi cousins can enjoy the full Commbank experience, with branches and all the trimmings. So, if you're planning a move across the Tasman Sea, your Commbank account can smoothly sail along with you. Now, let's address the not-so-bad news I mentioned earlier. While Commbank might not have branches popping up everywhere, the world of banking is a global one these days. Online banking and international transfer services are more accessible than ever. So, depending on your needs, you might be able to manage your Australian Commbank account remotely, even if you're living abroad. Just be sure to check Commbank's website and fees associated with international transactions. Here's the takeaway, Commbank itself isn't a global bank with branches scattered around the world. However, they do have a presence in key financial centers for institutional clients, and their subsidiary bank thrives in New Zealand. The good news is, the digital age allows for more remote banking options, so you might still be able to make Commbank work for you even if you're living the international life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.